Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Actually today we thought we'll do some unboxing video because I had ordered few things on Amazon about 2 to 3 weeks back, and I received it a couple of days back, and I had left it outside in our balcony so that's safe to use. And the things that I've ordered is really essential during this pandemic time. So are you excited to watch that? What is it? I'm really excited to see how it turns out, because you pay bombs and you don't know, right? Sometimes it does happen. Yeah, so I'm really excited to unbox it, so let's do it together. And I know I look super messy today. That is mainly because like I had gone for grocery shopping and I look really messy, so sorry for that, excuse it. I'm really sweaty, but I really want to unbox it now, so let's do it together. So these are the two things that I had ordered from Amazon, and let's unbox it. Yeah, so this is, I hope it's a weighing scale. Yeah, it's a weighing scale. Because of this pandemic situation, all of us are at home, work from home, everyday evening snacks without fail at home. So yeah, all of us are putting on weight, isn't it? So my brother wanted to order this one since we are really blotting up. So let's just check this out. It's so difficult to cut these packages. My God. Oh my, it's so damn difficult, guys, to open the packages, and I'm so excited and curious to see this. So, yeah, and my patience level is like 0. So let's just check this out. So many cellophane tape. Yay, I got it. Oh, this is a trimmer, guys, by the way. I'm so sorry. This is a trimmer which we bought for my brother. So frankly telling, he's not cut his hair since 3 months probably, so I may do that, and I'm eagerly waiting to cut his hair. He's not actually allowing me. Okay, let's see. So you guys saw this, right? It's from Panasonic. 6-in-1 all over body grooming kit is what it's written, and the price of this is, one second, it's about, it's not given here, guys. I will link it down in the description. Please do go and check this out, and let's open this later. I have one more package waiting for me. So, and this, I am super excited. I'm really excited. And wow, this looks so good. It's a weighing scale, so I can literally telling, I can know myself each and every day how much weight I'm putting on or how much I'm reducing. So this is bought by my brother for me. So it says Active X, Be Fit, Go Far. So before we check out with the product, let's see what are the features of it. And by the way, they've given a measuring tape also with this, so that we can measure ourselves, and yeah, you will come to know how many inches you have lost finally after your diet and stuff. So what does this say? Yeah, the features are your body weight, body water, basal metabolism rate, that is your BMR, muscle mass, metabolic age, fat-free body weight, body muscle mass index, okay, protein, skeletal muscle, bone mass, body fat. What's this now? Subcutaneous fat. Frankly telling, I don't know what's that, guys. So yeah, there are so many features in this. I haven't checked this out, so now let's do it and see what all the features are. So many covers, dude, so many. I mean, see the box and This is the worst part, you know, you're really eagerly waiting for something and you get it, but you're not able to unbox it the right time. No, baby, no patience. Mama doesn't have patience for that. So yeah, again it comes with battery, so that's a plus point. You need not buy it. Oh my god, just look at this, guys. Just look at this. It looks so classy. My good lord, it's so nice. I don't know how it works, guys, but it looks awesome. It really looks awesome. So let's put the battery and check it out. At the same time, I wanted to show this to you guys. I wanted to unbox it along with you people. So that's the reason I sat like that itself. So this is working. For sure it's working. And it showed its weight, by the way. Yeah, it did show its weight. But for more features, we actually need to go through the entire booklet. It's clearly mentioned how to measure your weight correctly, how to measure body fat and after body composition parameters correctly. So many things are given here, guys. You like, if you really want to invest in one, you can invest. Very clearly they have given, and this is one of the must during pandemic because we are eating a lot. Yes, we are eating a lot. So this one I will link it down in the description box. So once again, I'm just showing you this. The company is ActiveX, BeFit, GoFar, and the model is Savvy. If you want any reference, the one we have bought is Savvy from ActiveX. Again, for your convenience, I'll link it down in the description box. Now let's go and check out with the trimmer. So this is the Panasonic trimmer. Again, guys who are wondering with the model number, it is ERGY10K. So on Amazon, my brother was checking many trimmers out there, but most of them were Chinese products, and since, you know, most of the time it doesn't work out for a long time, it doesn't stay, you know, it just gets spoiled. So he wanted to invest in a good one, and my cousin brother is using this trimmer almost since 8 years, and he gave a very good review, because of which my brother bought it, and thanks to you. And the cost, I told you, I don't know actually. Yeah, my eyesight is bad, guys. So the price is 2,670. Okay, it's almost 2,700 without tax. So that's the price of this, and let's check it out now. And he has not cut his hair since 3 months, guys. Trust me, he has not cut his hair, and he did not want to go to the salon and cut it. Neither did he allow me to do it. So yeah, he actually bought a trimmer before this, but it was a beard trim, and we weren't able to manage with that. And then later my cousin brother suggested this. Yeah, let us be there. So let's check our trimmer out. So it has from 3 mm to 15 mm the setting, and the curvature is really good, guys. See, the way you can hold it is really nice. It doesn't slip off your hand. It's nice. I feel it's nice. So yeah, worth the money investing, guys. Don't go for Chinese product. So main reason we bought this too is like one for me and one not just for me. Yeah, one is for both of us, and this is completely his, because he is very hygiene and he doesn't want to go to the salons. Even they are using the disposable things, still he doesn't want to take risk, and we just want him to stay safe. So a challenge coming up, 2 different individual challenges, so you need to be tuned to watch what our challenges are. So yeah, he's going to use this. We will not be going to any salons, neither me, my mom, my brother, my father, none of us are going. We are safe, so we don't want to do. Even girls, our manicure pedicure, do it at home. No to salons. And so stay tuned, guys, for our challenges upcoming. If you like this video, please like our channel, and also if you're looking at this face for the first time or you're in our channel for the first time, please do hit that subscribe button it's red, turn it to gray. If it is gray, let it be. Please do not hit it again because you will get unsubscribed, and we don't want our family members to leave us, right? So be subscribed to our channel and hit that big fat thumbs up button so you like it, and also share it with your friends. If you want us to come with some interesting contents like this, please do let us know in the comment section. We are most happy to do the things which you are telling. Vaishu, if you're watching this video, you had asked me to bake a cake. For sure I'll be showing you that. So Vaishu, stay tuned. Bye bye.